Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by adding your Google account to macOS so the calendar app can talk to it. Open System Settings, choose Internet Accounts, and tap Add Google. Sign in with the account you want synced and explicitly enable calendars when prompted. Once done, launch the Apple Calendar app and give it a moment. Initial sync can take a minute. Make sure you stay signed in and don't dismiss permission prompts, because the Calendar app needs full calendar access to show and edit events. Now refine what syncs and how. In System Settings Internet Accounts, select your Google account and pick which calendars to enable. This prevents clutter. Next, open Calendar, right arrow Preferences, right arrow General, and set your default calendar for new events so you don't accidentally save to the wrong account. Make sure Calendar's refresh interval is reasonable, 2 infrequent delays updates, 2 frequent wastes resources. Also assign distinct colors to each calendar to visually separate personal, work, and shared schedules for faster scanning. Finish by verifying two-way sync. Create a test event on your Mac and confirm it appears in Google Calendar Web, then edit and delete to ensure changes propagate both ways. If events don't appear, sign out and remove the Google account from Internet Accounts, then add it back to force reauthorization. Make sure you allow calendar access during sign-in. Also check your Google account's calendar setting is enabled, ensure macOS is up to date, and confirm you have a stable internet connection. That single check often fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.